If two vectors are given A and B, as you can see in this diagram, vector A is given, vector B is given. We want to add these two vectors. So first of all, we will copy this vector A in this way. This is the copy of the vector A, which is also shown by the names A and B. A is the starting point and B is the ending point. Now copy the second vector B and join the starting point of the vector B with the ending point of the vector A. This is the vector A, and this is its ending point, and this is also the starting point of the vector B. Now draw another vector joining the starting point of the vector A and the ending point of the vector B. This vector AC is showing the sum of the two vectors, vector A and vector B, and this is equal to A plus B. This method is known as triangle law of vector addition, and this is also known as a tip to tail method या head to tail method, because हमने फर्स्ट वेक्टर के हेड को सेकेंड वेक्टर की टेल से ज्वाइन किया है, और टू गेट द रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर या सम ऑफ दीज टू वेक्टर्स वी विल ज्वाइन द टेल ऑफ द फर्स्ट वेक्टर to the head of the last vector. Tail mean ending point, yeah, end point, starting point, sorry. Tail means starting point. Starting point of the first vector is joined with the ending point of the last vector. This is also known as head to tail method or tip to tail method. There is another method to find the sum of these two vectors, again A and B. See, copy the vector A and vector B. Both the vectors are starting from the same point, this point A, and to get the sum of these two vectors you have to complete the parallelogram first. When you will draw the vector A, then you have to draw this line CD equal to the length of the vector A, and line BC equal to the length of AD. After completing the parallelogram ABCD, you have to draw another vector AC. This AC vector is starting from the same point from where the other two vectors, vector A and vector B, are drawn. This vector AC will give you the sum of the two vectors A, B. This method is known as parallelogram method. और पैरेललोग्राम हम कंप्लीट करते हैं, और पैरेललोग्राम कंप्लीट करने के बाद हम वेक्टर्स के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से ही ये थर्ड वेक्टर हम ड्रॉ करते हैं जो हमें इन दोनों वेक्टर्स का सम देंगे.